Alright, GRF. This is the M44 process. Uh, I just turned it back on from yesterday. That's why it's all foamy. Uh, I started the process with ferrous chloride, or actually used ferrous chloride from using it cold. And I just took the ferrous chloride uh, that I use from doing fingers and added it as my base catalyst. Um, you can use ferric chloride to start with also. Um, that's what Kurt started with. I'm going to test to see if your waste iron ferrous chloride will work as well. But for now, I'm just going to show you how this process works. Here's let me dig it up. What was left from yesterday, run out of hydrochloric. It's IC pins and some Goldfield, and there was a fiber CPU and a ram finger in there. I'm going to add some more pins, which I got over here. And they're mixed. You can't see them too well, but they're a mix off of Telecom. So I'm gonna add. There's 6 grams shy of a pound. So I'm gonna add them. And the reason why I didn't start from a fresh solution is because I run out of ferrous chloride, and I already had this batch started. So that's why I'm doing it this way, because I didn't want to waste the batch, pretty much. Alright, now I'm using high yield brand nitrate of soda granules. It's 16% nitrate nitrogen delivered from nitrate of soda. It's 1600, and you can pick it up at should be able to get it from Tractor Supply or Ace Hardware is where I've been getting it, and the price is about $6.49 for a 4-pound bag. You can get the hydrochloric that I'm using is Smart brand with this in-ground swimming pool on the front, and it's 31.45% 20 bomb. I've added nitrates when I first turned it on to keep it saturated, and then I use the hydrochloric to rid it of the foam. till it kicks off. And you can use, starting out, you want to use a pipette and deliver anywhere from 3 to 5 milliliters at a time. You're going to add, from the get-go, from fresh ferrous chloride or fresh ferric chloride, you're going to add 6 half tablespoons of nitrates of soda. And I'm just speeding this up a little bit so that it'll take effect. And as you can see, it's eating the bubbles, the foam area up. So that was a full 120 milliliters of hydrochloric. And there's an effect that I'm looking for. First, I gotta get the foam down on it. See how the bubbles are pushing to one side? Now the foam is created by the high concentration of nitrates. Eventually, they'll go down. You might need to spray a little bit of water just to get them to collapse. It does produce NOx, but it's not terribly bad. Add the hydrochloric to the bubbles or the foam and get them to go down a little bit better. Most of the time I'll use the pipette and just squirt the foam down. Until I get a nice even flowing fluid. Going. And now that it's going nice and fluid, I'm just finish squirting it out. And the foils, I'm going to turn this around so that you can see what it's doing on the other side. Now, try to keep the metals directly on top of the heat. And that way the gold starts piling up on the other side of it. And then, as you can see, starting to get thick again. So I'm going to do this the quick way. And just pour that little bit in there. And get ready for the next. And so far that's 240 milliliters of hydrochloric, I believe. And I'm going to add just a touch more. Let's see what I add. That was like 40 milliliters, I think. Yeah. And we'll just wait. But as you can see, it gets thick, which means that the nitrate is still pretty dosed. So we're good on nitrates for now. old foils are right in through there. Alright, I'll see y'all next video to show you the foils.